Hey guys, Chris Red here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon, home of the #1 premium pre-owned dealership in the nation. Today we are going to talk about one of our pre-owned inventory pieces here. This is a 2016 Winnebago Vista 31 BE floor plan. This is an absolute gem here on the lot. Here, I want to show you some. This is built on the Ford V10 engine. Okay. I'm going to point out a couple things on the outside, and then we're going to go inside and take a look. This does have power mirrors here on your side mirrors, driver and side mirrors. You do have a nice full-size awning that will come out that is powered. There is a television for your outside viewing pleasures. Now, this has some nice pass-through storage here on the passenger side, so those go through. A nice big bin. This RV does come with an RV cover that was purchased by the previous owner. You have nice two steps that come out here. Then we have some more storage along the side. A couple nice things about Winnebago. So Winnebago builds about 70% of their parts and all their things in-house. So if you ever need to get something fixed, very easy to call Winnebago and give them a part number, and they can get that, which is nice. Another little storage bin here. Your propane is located right here, so you pull up to a gas station, usually just hook up right here and fill up your propane. Nice little outside storage bin here. Oh, here's the RV cover I was talking about. So right there, stored inside. Go around to the back. It is equipped with a backup camera, and then you do have a 5,000-pound towing capacity here in the rear here. Okay, the generator is located right here in the rear. It's a 4,000 watt Cummins Onin gas generator. Okay, it's located right there, very easy access. This is going to be your power supply cord here, and then you have your fuel fill right there. Now, the nice thing about Winnebago also is they put the readers to let you know how full and empty your tanks are on the outside, so nothing ever gets gunked up on there. You're not getting a misread. So inside your RV, when you're looking at your controls, as you can see, they just put them right there on the outside of the tank. That's a great little thing that they do. And then you have your dump station here, your black and gray, and your winterizing valves all located right there. Then you have the other two bins here, pass-through storage. So you have a lot of storage in this RV. This is a bunkhouse floor plan, so you'll probably be traveling with more than 2 people. So it's nice and it has a lot of storage. So let's come inside and take a look. Hey guys, Chris Red here at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. We're inside this 2016 Winnebago Vista 31 BE. It's a bunkhouse Class A gas RV. It's absolutely beautiful inside. If you want to travel with people or just 2, this has a lot of capabilities of storage, but also just a nice floor plan in general. So in the front here, you have just your cab area of your Ford chassis. It does have leveling system here put on the coach, so you can just touch with one button and you can level this RV. You have a drop down bunk right behind me here, so if you are going to bring some other folks sleeping with you, this will drop down into a sleeper. This is a this is a Jackknife Sofa, so you just pull this out and you have a nice little bed here, and this also will drop down into a sleeping quarters as well. Your television is placed right across from your couch, which is nice if you're going to just watch television, so it's a nice area. Then you have your kitchen. It actually has a lot of counter space. It is equipped with an oven, a microwave, a lot of storage up here with nice pull-out drawers. I remember when I told you earlier in the video that 70% is built in-house. Well, say my drawer breaks here, you have a nice little sticker on every little thing here from Winnebago, so you can just call and give them the part number and they can remake something like that. And you have a lot of storage inside here. I know earlier in the video I showed you the tank monitoring system, so this is your readouts for all that. So empty, 1/3, 2/3 full, so that's where the reading will come out here, so very accurate. Then you have your fridge and freezer, nor cold here. Plenty of room for ice cream up in the freezer. Then you have nice pantry storage along here. Now this is a bunkhouse, so you do have sleeping quarters here for 2, and it does have like a little DVD players up here. But if you didn't want this to be your bunks, you can lift this up, and then this bar will drop down, and you can just use that for a closet, and you can just pull this across, and it can be an extra closet. So entering the bathroom, it's a Jack and Jill style bathroom. You have a lot of storage for medicines and supplies when you're out. a large shower that opens up with a bench. I'm 6 foot, plenty of room inside there. And then you have obviously your commode. And walking into the bedroom here, a lot of storage in here with a television in the bedroom. But you have a lot of drawers, 6 drawers at the foot of the bed. And then also, this is another little double closet. And then you do have some storage above the sleeping quarters here and along the wall. Again, so my name is Chris Fred. I work at Johnson RV in Sandy, Oregon. If you have any questions about this particular RV or any other RVs on the lot, please feel free to give me a call. Thanks again for watching my video.